Hello everyone, today let's talk about the product Happy Smile Pro. We from the Cyber Review channel prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying Happy Smile Pro. We also have some really important alerts that I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you do not make mistakes when using or purchasing Happy Smile Pro. The first thing you need to know about Happy Smile Pro is be careful with the website you are going to buy, because Happy Smile Pro is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below the description of this video. So what is Happy Smile Pro, and it really works? And the answer is yes. Happy Smile Pro is a peroxide-free instant tooth whitener designed to work exactly like a concealer, but for teeth through color correction technology. It hides the yellow tones of the teeth to enhance the brightness of your smile. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many other people who have great results with Happy Smile Pro, and you can have this result too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something that really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Happy Smile Pro for 180 days, and if you don't see results, or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will refund your money. So stay safe to use Happy Smile Pro. But rest assured you're shopping on the official website to ensure warranty benefits. Also, for Happy Smile Pro to work, you need to take the treatment seriously, or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. How does Happy Smile Pro work? Happy Smile Pro is a whitening treatment designed to temporarily hide stains, specifically focusing on the yellow tones on your teeth. How is the LED device used? Brush your teeth before using the brace. 2. Carefully apply the gel to the teeth. 3. Place the device, activate it, and hold it in your mouth for 16 minutes. 4. Repeat the treatment for 14 days and take a 7-day break, then repeat. We hope to have all your doubts about Happy Smile Pro. If you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here in this channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.